Today I'm doing a makeup from one of my all-time favorite animes, Tokyo Ghoul. I'm doing the character Kaneki, and it's a look I've thought about doing for years, and I'm so happy I'm finally getting to it. I am using colored contacts, a wig, my Mehron paint palette, Pros-Aide Prosthetic glue, Elmer's glue, and cardstock paper for today's look. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I am so proud of how this turned out. I think that airbrushing the shine really made this look so realistic, and also, like, I don't know, I feel like this is like kind of an attractive look for me. I love it. If you want to see me do more cosplays, please be sure to comment which character I should do next. I'll see you next time.
We'll be right back.